Okay children, next we are going to do same, that is least common multiple. Already we have discussed only common multiple and find out the least common, that is LCM. One more example for that is LCM, least common multiple. Okay, that is least common multiple of 8 and 12. Okay, find out the LCM of 8 and 12. Okay, that means we are going to write the multiples of 8 first and the multiples of 12, and we should take out the common multiple and find out the least common multiple. Okay, let me do, that is multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Okay, you have to say the 8 table, that is 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48 and so on. Okay, and the multiples of 12. By saying the table, 12 table, 12, 24, that is 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60 and 6 12s are 72. Okay, and goes on. Okay, now taken out the common multiple between these two lines, two group of numbers. Okay, let me round the number, that is 24, here also 24 and 24, and next number, that is 48, here also 48 and here also 48. So this is a common multiple. Okay, so write the common multiples. Common multiples. Okay, that is 24 and 48. Okay, among this least common multiple means which one is the smallest number? That is 24. So that's the answer of LCM, that is least common multiple of, that is 8 and 12. The answer is 24. So LCM of, okay, this is a short form of LCM, means least common multiple. So LCM of 8 and 12, the answer is 24, because the least number of this common multiple, that is answer is 24. So this is a method to find out the common multiple. First write down the multiples of 8 by saying 8 table, and again you have to write the multiples of 12 by saying 12 table, and find out the common multiples. Write down the common multiples, that is 24 and 48, and taken out the least common multiple, that means smallest one. Okay, thus we have find out the least common multiple. Okay, next we move on to the that is factors. Okay, we discuss about multiples and facts about multiples and the method to find out least common multiple, that is LCM. Next we move on to the that is factors. Okay, let me know. Okay, next heading, that is factors. Okay, what are called factors? Okay, I am going to explain with example sum, that is here 4 5s are 20. Okay, that means factors, 4 5s are 20. Here this 4 and 5 are called, that is factors. Okay, this 20 is a product, so this is called multiple. Okay, this is called multiple, and those numbers to be multiplied and to get the product, so these are called factors. So 4 is a factor of 20 and 5 also a factor of 20. Okay, so this are called, this is 4 and 5 are called factors. Okay, let me show another example, that is 6 3s are here 18. So 6 is a factor of 18 and 3 also a factor of 18, because these two numbers okay, multiplied with each other, and to get the product, that is multiple. Okay, 18 is a multiple of 6 and 18 is a multiple of again 3. Okay, so that means 6 and 3 are called, that is factors. Okay, so next one, that is facts about factors. Okay, we have discussed the facts about multiples, and now we are going, do you understand this concept, that is what are factors means? 4, 5. So 20, it has 2 factors, 4 also factor of 20 and 5 also factor of 20, and here 18, both 6 and 3. 6 is also a factor of 18, and same like this 3 is a factor of 18. Okay, let me know the facts about factors. Okay, our topic, that is facts about, okay, factors. What are the facts about factors? Okay, each factor, that is 1. 1 is a factor of all number, because we have to start them similar to that of multiples. We are, that means 9. Okay, find out this 9 means 1, 9 is 9. So 1 is a factor of all the number. If you can find out the factors of any number, 1 is a factor of its number. Okay, that is 1 is a factor of all numbers, because that is, suppose that is 16, that means 116 is equal to 16. Okay, so 1 is a factor. So that type of, that is any number, you can find out the factor. It includes 1 as a factor. Okay, example, that is 1 into 16, that is 16. So these two numbers are factor, and each number has 1 as a factor. Okay, and second one, that is second fact about factor means that the answer of the factor of, suppose you have to need to find out the factor of 18, same number itself the factor of this 18. Here also, that is, you have to find out the number 16. 16 is one factor of those number 16. So itself, so the number itself a factor. Okay, that is a number itself. That means here 118 is equal to 18. So 18, that's a number itself. So number itself also a factor. Okay, so this is a second fact. Okay, and third one, similar to that of in case of multiple. Okay, that multiples are, that is fact, that is it goes on. Okay, that multiples or goes on, that is unlimited, because we are getting the multiples by multiplying the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. But here factors are limited. Okay, it doesn't go. Okay, that means factors are limited. Okay, it doesn't go. Okay, similar to that of multiples. Multiples only it goes on. Okay, but factors are limited. Okay, and that means the number itself is the greatest factor of the number. Okay, if you find out the factor of 30, for example, you can, if you need to find out the factor of 3030 means, okay, write down for example, I am showing, that is find out the factor of 30. Okay, it means you are going to write, that is 130 is equal to 30, and 6 into 5, that is 30. Okay, and 5 into 6, again 5 also and 6 also factor. So it goes on, but here the greatest factor is the 30. So that means that is factor of any number, the number itself is the greater factor. Okay, that is number itself is a is the greatest factor. Okay, by saying this you have to find out the number factor of 30. Write down this here. The 30 is the biggest, greatest factor of itself. Okay, so these are the facts about factors. Okay, that means every number has 1 as a factor and itself is also a factor, and factors are limited. It does not go similar to that of our multiples, and that's a number itself is the greatest number of factor. Okay, and let me know the find out the highest common factor. Okay, let me see in the next example sums.